Ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 40 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific flight and by our flight crew, Captain Limbo and Captain Sorita, together with your crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board and we hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. Voice calls with the use of mobile phones are still prohibited until the doors are opened. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as items may have moved during the flight. Check your surroundings to ensure